Have you ever noticed that the moment your phone's screen goes dark or a notification stops appearing, your brain feels restless, almost craving the next alert? In today's hyper-connected world, constant digital stimulation keeps your brain in a state of perpetual engagement, but it comes at a neurological cost. From dopamine desensitization to cognitive fatigue, these patterns affect attention, memory, and emotional regulation. In this video, we're breaking down how your brain responds to continuous connectivity, the subtle ways your focus and critical thinking are compromised, and practical strategies to restore cognitive balance in a digital-first lifestyle. 1. Dopamine desensitization. Constant notifications and quick interactions flood your brain with small bursts of dopamine, the neurotransmitter associated with reward and pleasure. Over time, this repeated stimulation raises your baseline requirement for excitement, making ordinary, offline tasks, like reading, working, or even social interactions, feel dull or unrewarding. This desensitization rewires the brain's reward system, conditioning it to seek immediate gratification and making delayed, meaningful efforts more challenging. It explains why scrolling social media or checking email can feel addictive while simple, real-world tasks seem unengaging. Understanding this neurological shift is the first step in reclaiming sustained focus and intrinsic motivation. The effects of dopamine desensitization extend beyond motivation. When the brain becomes conditioned to frequent, small rewards, patience for slower, more deliberate tasks diminishes. For example, completing a work report, learning a new skill, or reading a book no longer provides the same sense of satisfaction because these tasks do not trigger rapid dopamine spikes. Over time, this can erode long-term goal setting and reduce the ability to persist through effortful or challenging projects. Moreover, this constant reward-seeking reinforces habitual device use. Even brief lulls in activity, like waiting in line or commuting, trigger a reflexive reach for your phone, perpetuating the cycle of constant stimulation. Social interactions can also be affected. Offline conversations or subtle achievements may feel less gratifying compared to the instant rewards of notifications or likes, altering how the brain perceives real-world fulfillment. Breaking free from this pattern requires intentional strategies. Practices such as dopamine fasting, scheduled device-free periods, and monotasking exercises help recalibrate the brain's reward system. By gradually reducing reliance on rapid digital rewards and focusing on deeper, more meaningful engagement, you can restore intrinsic motivation, improve sustained attention, and make both work and leisure more satisfying and mentally rewarding. 2. Continuous partial attention. When your attention is constantly split between multiple digital sources, your brain rarely engages fully in any one task. This state, known as continuous partial attention, keeps the amygdala, the brain's threat detector, slightly activated, mimicking a state of mild danger. Even when nothing threatening is present, your nervous system interprets this divided attention as a stressor. The result is heightened alertness, restlessness, and a subtle but persistent mental strain. Over time, this state erodes the ability to deeply process information, reducing comprehension and increasing susceptibility to distraction, fatigue, and anxiety. Continuous partial attention also diminishes the quality of work and learning. For instance, reading a complex article while simultaneously checking notifications can reduce retention of the material by half. Creative thinking suffers because the brain never reaches the focused state necessary for problem solving or sustained insight. Social interactions can also be affected. Conversations may feel shallow or fragmented because your attention is divided, leading to miscommunications and reduced empathy. Additionally, continuous partial attention reinforces the compulsion to multitask. Every new alert becomes a mini stressor, triggering a fight or flight-like response that subtly raises heart rate and stress hormone levels. Over days and weeks, this pattern can accumulate, leaving you mentally fatigued, irritable, and less resilient to future challenges. Implementing monotasking practices, digital boundaries, and dedicated focus periods can help your nervous system relax, improve cognitive performance, and restore your capacity for deep engagement and meaningful mental rest. 3. Cognitive switching penalties. Every time your eyes dart to a text, notification, or new task, your brain must expend energy to refocus. These constant context switches tax the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making, planning, and impulse control. This switching penalty leads to rapid mental exhaustion, making it harder to sustain focus or complete complex tasks. Even brief interruptions, like a single notification, can require up to 25 minutes to regain the original level of concentration. Recognizing the hidden cost of these micro-distractions highlights why uninterrupted focus is critical for productivity and cognitive health. The cumulative effect of these context switches goes beyond just lost time. Each interruption forces the brain to repeatedly reorient, which depletes mental energy and reduces the capacity for creative problem-solving. Over the course of a day, dozens of small distractions can leave you mentally fatigued, even if no single task seems particularly demanding. This explains why people often feel exhausted after a day of constant digital engagement, despite accomplishing relatively little. Moreover, frequent switching can impair long-term memory consolidation. Information is less likely to be retained when attention is fragmented, making it harder to learn, recall details, or apply knowledge effectively. Tasks that require deep focus, like writing, coding, or complex analysis, are especially vulnerable. Establishing monotasking practices, silencing non-essential notifications, and creating uninterrupted work blocks can significantly reduce the switching penalty, improve efficiency, and protect the prefrontal cortex from chronic strain, ultimately supporting both cognitive health and sustained productivity. 4. Neural pathway pruning. The brain operates on a use it or lose it principle, meaning neural pathways strengthen when regularly activated and weaken when neglected. Constant digital consumption prioritizes rapid scanning over deep analytical thinking, which can erode the networks responsible for critical reasoning, reflection, and problem-solving. Over time, habitual multitasking and skimming content reduce the brain's capacity for sustained attention and thoughtful engagement. This makes it harder to read, comprehend complex ideas, or engage in creative thinking, subtly shaping cognitive abilities over months and years of high digital exposure. Developing habits like focused reading, deliberate reflection, and uninterrupted problem-solving exercises can strengthen these neural pathways, helping the brain maintain analytical and creative capacities despite frequent digital demands. 5. Signs of digital cognitive drift. There are several telltale signs that your brain is suffering from constant digital stimulation. You might notice a compulsive urge to check your phone the moment a screen goes blank, or feel unable to read more than a few paragraphs without losing focus. Restlessness, phantom vibrations, short-term memory lapses, or forgetting why you opened a particular app are also common indicators. You may also feel mental fog, irritability, or difficulty completing tasks that require sustained attention. Recognizing these symptoms is the first step in mitigating digital cognitive drift and restoring a healthier balance between online engagement and offline mental recovery, allowing for improved focus, memory retention, and overall cognitive resilience. 6. Decision fatigue and digital overload. High connectivity contributes to decision fatigue. Each notification, email, or social media alert demands a response or consideration, depleting your brain's executive function. Over time, this reduces your ability to prioritize, plan, and regulate emotions effectively. Tasks that once felt simple, answering messages, drafting work documents, or even choosing what to eat, can feel overwhelming. Chronic decision fatigue also increases stress and can reinforce a cycle where your brain craves immediate digital stimulation as a coping mechanism, perpetuating mental exhaustion. Additionally, the constant demand for rapid decisions can impair long-term strategic thinking, creativity, and problem-solving, making both work and personal tasks feel more taxing and reducing overall mental clarity and efficiency. 7. Countermeasures for the digital mind. Restoring cognitive balance requires deliberate strategies. Dopamine fasting, which dedicates the first and last hours of your day to analog activities, helps reset the brain's reward baseline. Monotasking zones, where phones are locked away for a set period, rebuild tolerance for focused attention. Additional approaches include structured digital breaks, minimizing notifications, and scheduling offline periods for reading, reflection, or walking. Over time, these interventions retrain the brain to sustain attention, improve emotional regulation, and reduce the addictive pull of constant connectivity. 8. Long-term benefits of digital discipline. By reclaiming control over digital inputs, you improve both mental clarity and emotional resilience. Sustained focus enhances productivity, deep thinking, and problem-solving. Emotional reactivity decreases, as the nervous system is no longer perpetually on high alert. Creative thinking, memory retention, and meaningful engagement with people or tasks also improve. Ultimately, intentionally managing connectivity allows you to enjoy the benefits of technology without sacrificing cognitive health, focus, or well-being, creating a more balanced, purposeful approach to modern life. So, there you have it, how your brain responds to constant digital stimulation. From dopamine desensitization and cognitive switching penalties to neural pathway pruning and decision fatigue, high connectivity takes a subtle but profound toll on your mental functioning. By implementing strategies like dopamine fasting, monotasking zones, and scheduled digital breaks, you can restore focus, clarity, and emotional balance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical insights into mental health, productivity, and living intentionally in a digital world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.